Hello, welcome to Sami channel. Today we'll be doing a full review about the Black Shark Gaming Phone 2. It is the third phone from Black Shark. The previous are Black Shark 1 and Black Shark Hello. In this video, we will include unboxing, the design, and most importantly, the overall gaming experience. Let's dive into it. What I got is a black color with 8 GB of RAM plus 128 GB of ROM. In the box, we find a card. Now, it changes text to loading, whatever. Under the card, we see the phone itself. That's really shiny. We'll get to that later. Under the phone, we find the sticker, a manual, warranty card, and a pretty good silicone case. I gotta say, the quality has improved a lot. Let's just put on the case. What do you think about it? For the charger, I compared to the previous generation, it's still QC 4.0, but it gets to 28 watt now. A Type-C to headphone adapter and a 90cm Type-C cable. And that's it. By the way, it comes with a screen protector. I strongly suggest don't peel it off. On the design wise, it's very similar to the previous generation. It adopts glass and metal. However, the area of glass used is much smaller than the Black Shark Hello, only on the back here, as you can see. Also, the camera and the flash are moved from the center line to the upper left corner of the back. The change in the proportion of the material brings a firmer grip hand feel, and I won't touch the camera when I hold it with my hands. At the same time, it uses the on-screen fingerprint recognition. As always, the speed is fast. The front has a 19.5:9 ratio, 6.39-inch AMOLED full-screen display. Now there's no annoying notch here, which has a better viewing experience when you playing games. The front looks symmetrical and more holistic. The official info says that this AMOLED screen comes with TrueView display technology. It will automatically adapt display parameters according to the video content, light condition, etc. to adjust the screen tone and brightness. From our view, the color looks really sharp and may take a while to accommodate. If you favor an even sharper color, you can turn on HDR mode in Gamer Studio, which can boost the brightness of the dark part in the game scene. Of course, the overall color will become more intense. I also want to praise Black Shark 2 for the speaker. Now it has 2 front speakers, which are like on the front top and bottom panel. The sound won't be muffled. What do you think about the design? Just leave a comment below. The processor is Snapdragon 855, of course, as we've tested the benchmark Mi 9 and Acrophone. Here's the Antutu benchmark score for the Black Shark 2, 368K. Geekbench 4 single core got 3,534 points, while multi-core were 11,254 points. As you can see, the 3 phones feature the same chipset, but Black Shark has an obvious better performance. Why? Because it adopts, as the official says, a tower structure liquid cooling system. Whatever that is, it increases the heat dissipation area effectively to cool down the phone, thus to get a better hardware performance. Official claims that the core temperature of the CPU can be reduced by 15 degrees and increase the time of maintaining the maximum frame rate by 700%. When I just test the games on it, we choose the most 2 popular games here in China, PUBG and the Glory of the King. In both games, we set all to the highest specs. The test shows the average frame rate for the PUBG is 39 frames, while the average fluctuation is 0.94 frames. For the Glory of the King, the average frame rate is 60 frames, while the average fluctuation is 0.27 frames. We can see clearly Black Shark 2 has a more stable performance than the other 2. It's smooth and responsive. In addition to the hardware, it also has some improvements for the gaming experience. For example, it supports Magic Press touch pressure in Gamer Studio, similar to the 3D touch feature on the iPhone. And it's really good. Just check out the speed. For the battery life, Black Shark 2 has 4000 mAh battery, enough to last 1 or 1.5 days if you are not a heavy gamer. The charging time chart is here. Takes about 40 minutes to charge 80% and about 70 minutes to fully charge. The charging speed is in the flagship phone tier. In the video, we mainly test the gaming performance, and sure, if you are a heavy gamer or have a high demand on phone gaming, then definitely this is an awesome phone. Just go for it and you won't regret. It could be one of the best gaming phones in 2019, while in an affordable price. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. I put all of partners' links in the description and please check them out. I'm Sami, see you next time.